such a short runway. It's only 1.7 kilometers. Let me turn on the tickets from the up. Nice. For the takeoff checklist, flight controls. Full left, full right, neutral, full up, full down, neutral, roller, full left, full right, neutral, flying instruments, check, perfect confirmed, flap setting, flaps 3, speeds of flex, 60, 22, 27, flex 42, ATC, set, AK memo, takeoff now, blue, don't throw line. They called me.
Hello, it's Nolan. Let's cabin secure for takeoff. Thank you.
Thank you. This airport you have to do high performance takeoff. So below the line, check the front wheels, 1 coming through, advise, tickets, steer radio, book selector, normal packs off. The first step is to press the brakes. Second, give to thrust. Hold the brakes until it is full to set to full power. Takeoff. Flex 42 SRS auto thrust blue. Check. Thrust set. 100 knots. Checked. B1 rotate. It was fast. Positive rate of time, gear up. Nav. Although we are kind of light. Thrust climb out of thrust, flaps 1. Speed check. Flaps 1. Autopilot 2, flaps 2. Check flaps 2. Higher. Just to clean the aircraft. Sit, flat retraction, air still flaps 1 plus F. Flaps 0. Speed check. Flaps 0. After takeoff, climb checklist. Landing gear. Up, flaps, retracted back, on the tram. I'm gonna try to be above the green dot, which is 210.